Top 4 health facts about espresso. Espresso is a coffee brewed by forcing hot water under pressure through finely ground coffee beans. It has a thicker consistency than regular coffee and is often served in small cups. Espresso is the base for many other coffee drinks, such as cappuccinos and lattes. Espresso is more than just a delicious morning pick-me-up. This rich, full-flavored coffee can actually offer some health benefits. Here are 4 healthy facts about espresso that may surprise you. 1. Espresso can help improve mental alertness and focus. The caffeine in espresso can help to improve mental alertness and focus. If you're feeling tired or sluggish, a quick cup of espresso may be just what you need to get going. Espresso can help boost your metabolism. Espresso can help to boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. The caffeine in espresso helps to increase your body's production of heat, which in turn can help you burn more calories. Espresso can help improve physical endurance. If you're looking to improve your physical endurance, espresso may be able to help. The caffeine in espresso can help to increase your body's use of oxygen, which can improve your stamina and performance. Espresso can help you live longer. Yes, you heard that correctly. Espresso may help you live longer. A recent study found that coffee drinkers had a lower risk of death than those who didn't drink coffee. The study's authors believe that the antioxidants in coffee may be responsible for this health benefit. So there you have it, 4 healthy facts about espresso that may surprise you. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy way to start your day, look no further than a cup of espresso. Thank you for watching. I hoped you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.